Hi everyone, in this video we will gonna see about the donut chart that is available in the Power BI, and it is similar to the pie chart, but there is only one difference, the structural difference. The donut chart contains the hello center inside it, but both of the chart help us to find the distribution with respect to some categories or the part of a whole. In this video we will use only the donut chart. Uh, this is a visualization pen and this is a donut chart that is available, and we want to find out the sales distribution with respect to product category, total sale, and in the value field we will put the numerical data, that is total sales and product category. In the category, product category, we will fill it on the legend part, and we can see with the help of the donut chart that office supply is the major category that is contributing the most to the sales, followed by the technology and furniture. And that's how it helps us to find the relationship between sales and the categories. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.